What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play Boyfriends by Harry Styles from his new album, Harry's House, on the good old uke. We're gonna be doing all the songs off of his new album, so if you do like Harry Styles and you're learning the uke and you like the two, it's a perfect combination. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because we're gonna be doing all of the songs. Also, let me know what songs you want me to do first from the album. I'll be going by requests. But let's go ahead and get into this uke tutorial. So first things first is I'm going to put a timestamp on screen right now where you can go skip ahead. If you're like, Ricky, I already know those chords, skip ahead to the strumming section. You can go ahead and do that right now. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know how to play any of the chords. I just picked up the uke yesterday, an hour ago, literally right now, but I love Harry Styles and I want to play this song. We're going to go step by step on where to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. If that is something that you want or are into, or you need a little bit of a refresher, we're going to do that coming right up. But again, you can skip ahead to whatever section that you want. So now let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. All right, so the chords that we need for this song are C, G, D minor, F, A minor, and D7. So let's go ahead and talk about where we need to put our fingers for each chord on the uke. All right, so for the C chord, how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place your ring finger on the first string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. For the G chord, how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the A minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the D7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret. So it should look like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. So now that we learned the chords, let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. I'm going to teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be a super simple way. If you just started learning how to play the uke, I recommend you kind of just do this one and then progress into an actual strumming pattern. So the first way that we can play this song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you can just do a down strum whenever you see a new chord change. And if you do want to download the full PDF chord sheet for this song, that will be live on Patreon right now. So if you want to check the link down below, you can download it, save it on your laptop, computer, phone, tablet, or you can even print it out. It has the full lyrics and chords on screen. Also, what I do want to mention is that the full video play along for the song is live on YouTube, which consists of me playing and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics right on screen. So it's an easy play along for you. So highly recommend to watch that video after you've learned how to learn the chords and the strumming. But okay, let's do it again. The down strum is just going to be a down strum. It's going to be like, boyfriends, they think you're so easy. They take you for granted. They don't know, they're just misunderstanding. So you can kind of get the point of, you just do a down strum whenever you see a new chord. It'll sound absolutely amazing. But the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual down strum, and that down strum is going to be a down, up, up. So again, it's going to be a down, up, up. And you're just going to continue doing that strumming pattern of down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if we add lyrics to it, it's going to sound like this. Boyfriends, they think it's so easy. They take you for granted. They don't know, they're just misunderstanding. So again, that strumming pattern is just going to be a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're just going to continue doing that strumming. And again, you can choose to do it slower, faster, whatever you want, whatever fits your mood. But again, that strumming pattern is just going to be consistent, down, up. And you're just going to keep on going. And as soon as you see a new chord change, you're just going to change the chord. So, boom. And then we go to an a G. So that strumming pattern again is just a down, up, up. And if you want the full play along, again, that will be down below, linked in the top of the comments and description. Highly recommend. It's a super easy play along. And there you have it. But yeah, if you want to see the full package, again, go to the video down below. It is free for you. But if you want to learn any other songs, make sure to let me know in the comments below. That is it for me. Congratulations, you now know how to play Boyfriends by Harry Styles from Harry's new album, Harry's House. I honestly love every song. Let me know what video or what song you love off the album most, and maybe we'll do that next. If you do want to check out all the links in the description down below, links to the merch, links to all of my socials, everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Links to this uke, if you're like, Ricky, that is a beautiful uke. This is a concert-sized Enya uke. If you do want to go check it out, I'll leave a link for the Amazon page down below. One thing I love about Enya ukes is they are super affordable, and they definitely don't break the bank, but they sound absolutely amazing. So make sure to check out Enya ukes. Thank you so much for watching. Again, we're going to be doing more of these sort of condensed tutorials because we also do have the full play along down below. I'm excited to teach and learn and play with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. As I said previously, we're going to be doing all of these songs off of the new album, so make sure to stick around. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.